How to add phone number on Shein app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to add a phone number to your Shein app account. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Shein app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are on the home screen of Shein app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are on your profile page, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you'll be prompted to the settings menu. In this menu, you can see the option labeled Manage My Account. So simply tap on that. Now here on the new page, simply locate the phone number option and tap on it. And you will be taken to a new screen where you will see two fields. Enter your phone number in the first field and then check your phone for the verification code that was sent to you. And enter the code in the second field, and once verified, your phone number will be successfully linked to your Shein account. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a phone number to your Shein account. And that's it for the video. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.